to tell you about this amazing deal. You have to go this week or next week. They said it's going on for 2 weeks. It is the case lot sale at my local grocery store. Now, I do know for a fact this happens all over the country. My friend Kimmy from She's in Her Apron, she gets it all the time in Utah, so I know lots of you can get this. 51% is what I saved restocking my Stockpile pantry. These are foods that I use every single day. There's nothing special about these foods except for one thing. I'll show you that one thing in just a minute, but everything else we use on a regular basis. So my Stockpile food is nothing weird or nothing that I'm not gonna use on a regular basis. Now, I saved 51% on my grocery bill. You can see right here, $471.95 is what I would have paid retail for all this food. It ended up costing me $230.45. That is a 51% savings off my grocery bill. That's cutting my grocery bill in half, literally cut in half. I'm gonna grab my sons, we're gonna get this unloaded into the kitchen, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I bought and how much I paid for it. Okay, so what did I buy for my Stockpile? First of all, for the freezer, I got a box of chicken. It was $35 for 20 pounds, $1.70 something a pound. The great news is it came already in chicken tenders like this. I don't even have to repackage it. I'm going back to the store to get another 1 or 2 boxes because this is a good deal. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 packages of this in the box, okay? So that is a really darn tootin' good deal. Thing I got was ravioli. Now, normally this is $1.18 at Walmart, which is my regular sale price here in my town because I only have 2 grocery stores and Walmart. I got it for 89 cents, so I saved 30 cents a can. This is one of those quick and easy foods that I keep in my Stockpile that you don't have to reheat. You can just open the can and eat it. So have at least a few cans of these. Chili, SpaghettiOs, ravioli, those types of just open the can and eat the food, and then you don't have to worry about heating anything up. Okay, the next thing I got was the brown sugar and the powdered sugar, $2.22 at Walmart for 2 pounds. I got it for $1.49 each. So brown sugar and white sugar are not something that I would consider a stock up item normally, but because it was on sale and I need it, I'm doing lots of cooking videos out of my Dining on a Dime cookbooks for this channel and my other channel, Super Easy Recipes. So a lot of baked goods used powdered sugar and brown sugar. So this is just my regular baking, but I needed it, so I threw it in so you guys could see what I bought on this trip. But brown sugar I would have on hand so that if you need to eat oatmeal, it'll just give it a little bit of flavor. You don't have to, but you can. So this was $1.49 instead of $2.22. The next thing I got was olives. $1.97 is what I normally pay. They were on sale for $1.19 a can. You can see I stocked up. We eat a lot of Mexican food, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 12. I got 60 cans of olives. That will get us through probably 9 months worth of olives. I got the small olives instead of the medium or the large because when you use the small ones, if they're used whole, then you will use less of them if you use the small ones versus the big ones. Does that make sense? Because you'll use more big ones. So let's say there's 10 small olives that will equal 5 large olives. So that's why it looks like more when you're eating. So that's a way to stretch your olives. The next thing I got was spaghetti sauce. It's $2.24 at Walmart. I got it for 99 cents a jar. That is a great stock up price. This will probably get me through not quite a year worth of spaghetti sauce for what I have left in the basement also. And I did also get some apples. I threw them in there because they were 99 cents a pound, and I don't usually do that for a stockpile. It's just for me to eat, but it was on this bill. The next thing I got was Top Ramen. Yes, my family loves the ramen noodles, so I got 5 packages of this. They were 25 cents each. These are 30 cents at Walmart. I paid 25 cents for these. My son said this may last us 3 or 4 days. My boys really love ramen. I mean, all my boys are teenagers or young adults. Teenagers and young adults, I should say. So yes, they all love the Easy Top Ramen. Okay, let me think. What was I going to say?
It's actually young adults and teenagers now.
Young adults and teenagers. Young adult and teenager. I was corrected, please. Young adults and teenager. I'm so sorry. So sorry. Okay, now my store did not have everything that I was wanting. It did not all come in on the shipment. So what else? They have another shipment coming tomorrow. So what else am I going to get? Pork and beans, instead of $1.12, they are on sale for 69 cents. So I'm going to, if they get those in, I'm going to grab those. If you guys are liking these grocery haul videos, please comment and let me know if you like my grocery haul videos, because that will help me know if I should make more videos like this. Also, what did you find on sale this week? Let me know your sale prices. Put your city and your sale prices on things you got on sale so other people can know to start looking for sales. So people say, I can't ever find sale prices in my town. It is in every single town in the United States. So comment and let me know. Vinegar is $3.19 a jug on sale. And normally it's $3.74. So I'm going to pick up some of that. Salt, instead of 67 cents, it is on sale for 77 cents. Oh, now I'm not going to be stocking up on salt. That's how you know when something is a good deal or not. I keep track of my prices in our price book. Then all I have to do is when I'm at the grocery store, I just look in and see, okay, Walmart is my regular non-sale store. So if it's not on sale at the other grocery stores, I will get it at Walmart because that's the cheapest price here. But since salt at Walmart is 67 cents, I know that 77 cents on sale for the case lot sale is not a good deal. Now, last year when it was on sale for 59 cents, and then in the spring it was on sale for 57 cents, that would have been a good deal. So I stocked up then. I do need to be getting restocked, but what I'm going to do is stock up at Walmart on my salt. They also didn't have ketchup. It's $1.94 at Walmart, $1.19 on sale, so that's a much better deal. There is a difference in the size. Let's see, Walmart is 32 ounces, and it's on sale for $1.19 for 20 ounces, but that's still a cheaper deal because $1.19 divided by 20 is 0.5 cents per ounce. Instead of at Walmart, it is 6 cents an ounce. So it is cheaper to get ketchup on sale. If you guys want a free Stockpile ebook, you can click the link in the description below, and we have an ebook that is 100% free on how I stockpile and tips on stockpiling, how long things last, how to store them, and what foods you should stockpile. Now, I didn't stock up on spaghetti. It's 98 cents regularly at Walmart, and they have it on sale for 69 cents, but I had stocked up in the spring, and I got enough that will last me probably 2 years because I really stocked up because I think it was 57 cents then, and so I really stocked up. Watch next. These are the foods that never expire that you need to have in your stockpile. livingonadime.com.